Okay, we got a continuous function, theta plus 2 cosine theta. We're trying to find the absolute max and min on the interval, closed interval from 0 to 2 pi. So again, we know that absolute maxes and minimums on a closed interval occur either at the endpoints of the interval or at critical numbers for the function on that interval. So we first could find the values of the function at the endpoint, 0 and 2 pi. We can actually come close to doing that without a calculator. F of 0, since cosine of 0 is 1, equals 2. And f of 2 pi, there's theta, 2 pi, plus 2 cosine of 2 pi. Cosine of 2 pi is also 1. 2 pi is about 6.28 plus 2, so 8.28 is the value of 2 pi. And again, if we looked at this red line, which is the graph of the function, this black graph is the derivative of that function, and that equals 0 at pi over 6 and 5 pi over 6. So the values of the function at those critical numbers are those 2 points right there. And we can see that the absolute minimum on that interval occurs here. Absolute max occurs here. How do you find the critical numbers? Well, you find the derivative. Derivative of theta with respect to theta is 1. Derivative of cosine theta is minus sine. When does that equal 0? When the sine of theta equals 1/2. So theta are all the angles between 0 and 2 pi that have a sine of 1/2. And that's them. You can use the unit circle to figure that out. You might remember the 30, 60, 90 right triangle. There's 30, 60, in which the sides are in the ratio 1 to square root of 3. So the sine of 30 is 1/2, which is the same as pi over 6. And then you also have an angle in the second quadrant, which happens to be 5 pi over 6. So the absolute maximum, if you look at this little table, I've already got it circled, 8.28. And the absolute minimum occurs at 5 pi over 6. Okay, there you go. Hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.